X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. eView allows fast and easy image management. Patient Browser shows list of exams. Image View. Select a patient and view the exam images. Backup. Select a patient to back up the exam. Then, select the destination device, like a USB, and continue with screen prompts. Send to. Select an exam or images to save. Send to a network, PACS, or printer. Follow the prompts, like a USB allows JPEG, BMP, DCM, or TIFF formats. Report. Opens the exam's report pages. Reopen exam. Will load the selected exam to the active scan mode. X plus compare. Reload a previous image to live scan to compare pathology. End exam. Will conclude the study and save it in eView.